You built him a new tail? So he's gonna be able to fly without you. Mm-hmm. Wow, what a great gift. What if he never comes back?
Know that we're
You're right, bud. It's time. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted. I didn't think about what you needed.
Thought we were
Toothless has the light fury now. He's probably not even coming back.
What?
You gave him his freedom, Hiccup. What were you expecting?
I never thought he'd stay away for good. I
stuck in the same place.
It's your responsibility now, son. You must feed him and care for him until he's able to fly free and return to the wild.
Sometimes don't it make you wonder, darling?
Don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise. I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon.
You said wouldn't that time.
Whatever. I wouldn't. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon. Buddy, thank you. You are amazing. It's okay. I love you too. And I want you to be free. Oh, what? You want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? Well, try this on. No, that doesn't work out.
Love comes loss, son.
Get away from him.
It's part of the deal.
Go on, get out.
Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it.
It wasn't your fault, bud. They made you do it. What's the matter with you? You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me. He's my best bud. I want him to be happy. I looked at him and I saw myself. The crazy thing is, I'm actually the one who shot him down. Hey, it's okay though. You got me back, right, bud? You couldn't save all of me, could you? You just had to make it even. So, Edward, take this out on me. Be mad at me, please. Just don't hurt Toothless.
Dragon? That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
He was just protecting me. He's not dangerous. Please, you are my best friend, bud. My best friend. It's okay, bud. You belong there. With her. We don't. And that's all right.
But those sailors who turned back told tales of a great waterfall and dragons guarding the entrance to a hidden world. Not just a nest, Hiccup, but a land from which all dragons come.
Even night furies?
Especially night furies.
Those are scary.
Don't you worry. One day I'll find the hidden world and seal it up, so that people and dragons will fight no more.
Attaboy, that's it! I'm here! Almost there, buddy, almost there! Save him.
Thank you for saving my son.
Toothless didn't just become my friend. He became the friend who gave me my purpose.